In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to calculate the dosage of edibles or topicals you make using a tincture. In this example, we're using a CBD tincture from Joy Organics purchased online. In most cases, the product label will give you all the information necessary to calculate your dosage. If you're using a homemade or an unlabeled product, you will need to estimate the numbers. See the lesson on how to estimate dosage in infusions to come up with an estimate of the THC content in your homemade tincture. Okay, let's get started. For both edibles and topicals calculations, you first need to know the strength of your tincture. So step 1 of our example is calculate the tincture strength. To do this, first enter the total milliliters that are in the bottle. This tincture bottle is 30 milliliters, as that's what's on the label. If it's a homemade tincture, you will need to know how many milliliters of tincture you're starting with and the amount of THC or CBD it contains. See the lesson on calculating dosages in infusions to estimate your homemade tincture's dosage. Okay, next we will enter how many total milligrams of THC or CBD are in the product. This product contains 500 milligrams of CBD in the entire bottle. And with the calculation, we will see that it has 16.6 milligrams of CBD per milliliter of tincture. In step 2, we calculate the dosage per serving of edibles or per application of topicals. Enter how many droppers of tincture are in your recipe or formula. For our example, we're going to use 15 droppers full, in other words, half the bottle. Next, enter the total number of servings your recipe makes or the number of applications your topicals formula makes. For our example, let's say it's 18. When we enter 18 in this field, we see that each serving of our edible or each application of our topical will contain about 14 milligrams of CBD. Feel free to adjust the step 2 numbers up or down to attain the specific dose you're looking for. For instance, add more tincture or make fewer servings or applications for a higher per serving dose.